Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of domain server on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Dropbox. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.